Do you know? You can make any contact sensor into a multifunctional 4-in-1 sensor. Just add a tilt switch. It will now become a door sensor, or a button sensor, or a tilt sensor, or finally a vibration sensor. And best of all, tilt switch only costs 20 cents each, thus making it a cheap and easy home automation hack. It works with most contact sensors in the market today. Examples. Now let's have a look at how to make the contact sensor into a 4-in-1 sensor. Done! Your contact sensor is now a multifunctional 4-in-1 sensor. Now we will look at how to install the 4-in-1 sensor for contact or door scenarios. Examples. Now we will look at how to install the 4-in-1 sensor for button or press scenarios. Examples.
Someone is at the door. Please open it now.
Let's now look at how to set up the doorbell automation in your Alexa app. Done. Doorbell automation setup completed. Now we will look at how to install the 4-in-1 sensor for tilting scenarios. The tilt sensor will only work when it is at sideways position. The vibration sensor will not work when it is sideways. Find the sweet spot where the tilting chair will trigger the sensor. Examples. Now we will look at how to install the 4-in-1 sensor for vibrating scenarios. The vibration sensor feature will work only when the sensor is facing upwards. It will not work if it is sideways. If it is sideways, only the tilt sensor feature will work. Examples. That is it. Thanks for watching. Home automation hack complete. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.